So today we are going to be working on this hair, and as the video description says, we are going to try out onion juice on natural hair. So I have really neglected my hair for the last few months, and honestly, it has caused a lot of damage to it. So in terms of breakage, I'm really suffering big chunks of hair breakage and all, and I just want to dedicate the next 6 months to trying out natural remedies that help with hair growth, hair volume and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go about making this onion juice, and also tell you a few things that you can actually add to what do we call it, to boost yes, to boost the benefits. Okay, so we all know, or if you don't know, onion is very rich in sulfur, and that is why it is good to promote hair growth and everything. But a lot of people fear using it because of the smell, because it will leave you smelling like onions for days, especially if you don't wash out carefully. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to make it with a bit of twist spice to make it potent and help us more. So to start off, I'm going to show you the ingredients we will be needing. So onion is the main ingredient we will be using for this hair juice. So we will use onion, we will add ginger, and we will add 2 cloves of garlic as well. So when you add all these products you're seeing here, all these ingredients, kitchen ingredients, are very good to help with hair growth. And then the last and the also very good spice for your hair that you can use is cayenne pepper. We'll go ahead and use a pinch of that. So to start off, we're going to cut down our ingredients, the cloves, the onions, and the ginger. And as I do that, let me go ahead and tell you some great benefits for using onion for your hair. So onion juice reserves, or rather reverses, premature graying of hair. So if you're suffering from graying hair and everything, it actually helps in that. I have seen one strand of my hair graying. I don't mind it, but if this is going to help me in reversing that, well and good. Onion also increases blood circulation, which helps in hair growth, and it has antibacterial properties that keep your scalp away from infections, promoting healthy hair and all that. So also onion is rich in sulfur, and we all know that sulfur is a component that is also very good and very important in helping us in hair growth, and that is why onion is really great for hair growth. So garlic as well has a lot of nutritional benefits to your hair. It is antimicrobial, it is antifungal as well, and contributes in killing bacteria and fighting germs. So all these ingredients are really good to your scalp, and that is why when you're making this juice, when applying it, make sure you concentrate more on your scalp. Just massage it through. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how to do that, and this is really good. It is going to help you a great deal. So please, if you can, I know you can, you have these things in your kitchen, incorporate these in your hair routine. So what we are going to do now, I have just added my ingredients in the blender. I'm going to add a glass of water as well. And then now I added the water because I wanted the juice to be enough for my entire head. And then after adding the water, you can see that I'm going to add a pinch of cayenne pepper, as I said. Now cayenne pepper is also really good, also keeps your scalp healthy, it has antifungal properties that also helps your scalp in keeping it clean, keeping it healthy, killing germs. And also when you use this in your hair, trust me, things like dandruff, things like fungal infections, you will not get that in your hair. It has peripheral also glossiness, so it helps in your blood circulation as well. So I went ahead and blended it all together, and I went ahead and sieved out the juice. Now I used a stocking here, cut stocking here. That's what I'm doing. In a container, you need to sieve it out and make sure you don't have these particles remaining. You do not want them in your hair, trust me on that. It is very hard to get these things out of your head, so please make sure you sieve and you just have the juice to use on your head. Once I sieve this, I will go ahead and put it in my applicator bottle, and then we'll go ahead and apply it on our head. So I'll show you guys how to do that, how to concentrate the juice on your scalp. This is what I have. As you can see, the color is also a bit different. It's a bit thick, if I can say that. This is because of the garlic and the ginger that we added. So as you can see here, the juice is in my oil. It looks different here because I used an applicator bottle that had oil in it. So this bottle had some coffee oil. That's why you can see the black particles, but it doesn't cause any harm. The juice is still potent. So just put it in an applicator bottle, and if you have a spray bottle, actually the better. So we are concentrating with our scalp. As we saw, all these ingredients are really good with our scalp. So just go ahead, apply it on your scalp, massage it thoroughly. You massage it deeply. I have done the first part. Let me show you guys how we went ahead on this. So you just make sure you apply it on your scalp. Concentrate on the scalp mostly. As you have seen, most of the benefits of these ingredients target the scalp, and that is where the hair grows from. So we are going to start with the scalp, and then I'm going to saturate my hair with the juice as well. So I will also put it in my hair, but you have to make sure you massage it very well on your head, and then go ahead, put it on your hair strands, detangle it, and make sure you have your hair is actually not, it is already detangled for you to be able to run your fingers through it properly. So after you do that, I went ahead and covered my head with this juice. I did this process for all the 4 parts I had divided my hair into. And then after that, because I wanted to stay with it for a bit longer, I went ahead and put on a plastic cap and then stayed with it for a few hours, and then go ahead and shampoo. So as you can see, I'm working my hair through, I'm working my fingers through the hair. It is fully detangled, so you want to make sure that the juice gets to every strand of your hair if you can. And you can, not that if you can, if you can do this. So make sure it is fully covered, it is fully saturated, and then go ahead, cover your hair with a plastic cap, give it some time to sit on to do the magic, and then go ahead and shampoo it. So here I'm already done. I'm just going to keep in, or rather put on my cap, give it time, and then go ahead and shampoo. So I will come back, guys, and show you how it looks after shampooing it, and then you can see. So just let me go ahead, sit on it for a minute, and then I'll come back with the shampooed hair to show you guys how exactly it looks. And yeah, so I hope you try this juice. If you want to grow your hair out this year, join me in this challenge and try these products as well. Okay, so here is my hair after shampooing. As you can see, it's so soft, and it's just amazing. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.